Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a program to print the letters of the alphabet. We'll use the for loop to loop over the characters A to Z, printing each of the characters. So let's begin. So here we are initializing char I to be A, which is the first character of the alphabet. Then here we are checking whether I is less than or equal to Z, which is the last character of the alphabet. Note here we are using less than or equal to. If we use less than alone, the last character Z will not be printed. So we are printing each of the characters and a space between them, and then incrementing the counter. Let's run this. So we were able to print all the characters of the alphabet. You might want all the characters to be in caps. So what we need to do is to change here to capital A and here to capital Z. Now if we run this, we get all the letters in caps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.